All right, somebody asked me to do a video to show how this Pittsburgh jack that you can get at Harbor Freight can work for the Cybertruck. So first I put the Cybertruck in high and just leave it there. Then back this screw out as far as it can go. And then it slips under here to the jack pad. I had it up on the other side already. So put it under the jack pad. And sometimes it takes twice, because if you don't position that correctly, as it starts going up, it starts leaning back. But and you do have to go up pretty far, but you'll hear the tire break loose, and it's off the ground now. So I'm going to be putting on my all-terrains with my spacers, so that's why I'm doing this right now, to show you. And no, I don't use any jack stands or anything, so say whatever you want. I know it's unsafe. You do whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm not going to have the tire off long enough to care. So these are 50mm spacers, 2 inches. I like the way it looks. Gives it a little more aggressive stance. And I'm not one to spend money on rims, so I'm still using the stock Cyber wheels. I think they got a new name for them now. I don't remember what it is. Anyway, that just goes on like that. Gotta change bits. Come on. There we go. Use that to get them close, and then check them with your torque wrench. It's already set up. Does everybody do 2 clicks, or is it just me? Okay, so that's there. This will be next. torque these the same. This way. Okay, and then line that up, and that's it. Jack works pretty good. It's pretty stable, and I've had the truck 28,000 miles. I've rotated it every 5,000, so I've done it a few times, plus changing out tires. So that's how it's done.